We adore this flavourful Vietnamese-inspired salad. Super easy with no cooking involved. Just prep your ingredients, toss them with a homemade dressing and you're good to go. This one takes less than 20 minutes and is perfect for using up leftover Vietnamese ham. Vietnamese ham or da lu is made from pork, garlic, fish sauce and spices. It is a classic addition to banh mi sandwiches and of course salads like this. Another surprising ingredient in this salad is 5-spice tofu. This hard tofu ingredient is packed with those delicious notes of cinnamon, cloves and fennel. Fresh carrot and white radish add that irresistible crunch, and we've also added scallions and cilantro for that extra herby fresh flavours. As for the chili, you can add as much as you like or as little as you like, so it's up to you. Together we have created a delicious salad with familiar Vietnamese flavours, and the fish sauce dressing brings that savoury umami packed vibe. All you need to do is add all these ingredients into a big bowl, toss it up together, put your dressing on, and then that's it. A few tips to keep this salad tasty is to make sure you slice the ham and tofu into similar strips for even bites, and if you're packing for lunch, hold off on that dressing until you're ready to eat. And if 5-spice tofu isn't quite your thing, you can substitute with regular tofu. Hope you enjoy this simple yet refreshing salad as much as we do. Enjoy!